Hello friends, in this video we are learning how to extract audio from video from your Android mobile. Okay, open your Play Store, then go to search, then search video to audio mp3 cutter. Okay, you can find out this application from Account Lab. I'm install this one. Okay, there is many application and just download and open it. Okay, after opening that you can see that audio cutter, video cutter and video to audio and output folder. Okay, select video to audio to extract audio from video, then you can choose which folder if you need. Okay, so I'm choosing this and select this video, then you can see here and just you can select format from here, mp3 or AAC. Okay, then choose the different types of bit rates. I'm choosing the number one and click here convert. Then it is show an ad. You can see here it is showing an ad, and after that you can see that is created in our output folder. Fork back camera 320 kbps. Okay, go to file manager from your mobile, then go to internal storage, then go to music folder, then you can see here there is a folder video to mp3. Open that, open this one, then you can see there is the audio. So that's very simple. So that's guys very simple tutorial. If you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos so you can easily watch, understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.